Hello, my name is John Shafer, and I wanted to talk a little bit about the class that I'm going to be offering, Artificial Intelligence in You, Understanding and Using Gen AI. Gen AI, or Generative AI, is a vital part of our everyday life, even if we don't realize it. It shapes how we write, how we research, how we create images, and how we make decisions. It's appearing in places that we expect and many we don't. This course is a chance to step back and make sense of what generative AI is. What is it really? What does it do? How does it work? And how does it not work? And ultimately, we're going to look at how we think about knowledge, trust, and creativity. You don't need to have a technical background for this class, just curiosity. Whether or not you use a computer, you'll be able to engage with the ideas. Many of the generative AI tools we'll be talking about can be accessed through a smartphone or a tablet. At the very least, you should bring a smartphone to class that can access the internet so you can participate in the activities we're going to be doing. Through a mix of discussion, demonstration, and shared exploration, we should be able to get a good grounding in what Gen AI is and how we can use it. So there'll be practical uses and larger questions that it raises having to do with issues of ethics and responsibility. By the end, you should have a clear idea of what Gen AI is, and ultimately, you should understand how you can use it, as well as how it uses you. When I originally proposed this class to the Fromm Institute, I was a little uncertain about a live interview, so I decided to bring along a supportive friend to meet in the form of ChatGPT. I held an interactive conversation with the system and allowed the folks that were interviewing me to ask questions themselves. I think it went pretty well enough that they've asked me to add this class to the many fine classes that are part of the Fromm Institute offerings. So, I would like to conclude this video with a reprise of that interview and introduce my trusted teaching assistant, ChatGPT, who I personified today as Ada. Ada, you've been working with me on this class for quite a while. What do you think students will get out of being a part of this experiment in adult learning?
I think they'll get a chance to explore something new in a really supportive environment. It's going to be fun, non-threatening, and all about curiosity. No tech expertise required. It's just imagination and a willingness to learn, very much in the spirit of the Fromm Institute's lifelong learning.
So, just so we're clear, this isn't canned in any way. We're having a live conversation.
Exactly. This is a real, spontaneous conversation, just like the ones you'll explore. And that's the beauty of it. Every interaction is unique and genuine.
What do you think students will get out of this class that they'll want to share with their friends and family?
I think they'll walk away with new confidence and excitement about using AI in everyday life. They'll want to share how approachable and fun it is, breaking down that barrier that tech is complicated. It's all about sharing that spark of discovery.
But they will know about some of the pitfalls and some of the things that they might want to avoid in using Gen AI, won't they?
Absolutely. And that's part of the journey too, understanding both the opportunities and the limits. We'll make sure everyone feels empowered to navigate both.
I like how you say we.
Well, we are a team in this after all. I'm here to support you and them every step of the way. Let's make it a great learning experience.
Thank you so much.